Welcome back to the Engineering Solutions channel, where we explore the cutting edge of military technology. Today, we're diving into America's new high-speed helicopters, designed for speed, survivability, and battlefield dominance. Traditional helicopters have been reliable for decades, but they max out at around 160 knots, making them vulnerable in high-threat environments. The solution? A radical new rotorcraft design with coaxial counter-rotating rotors, increasing lift and speed. Enter the S-97 Raider, capable of 250 knots, perfect for special operations with stealth and speed. And then there's the SB-1 Defiant, designed for heavy lift, exceeding 280 knots, a game-changer for troop transport. These helicopters are not just fast. Their maneuverability allows for tight turns and evasive actions in combat. In modern warfare, fast response and adaptability are crucial, and these rotorcraft are leading the charge. But designing them comes with challenges, from heat management to structural stability. The future of military aviation is here, and it's aggressively designed. Thanks for watching Engineering Solutions TV.